Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my step-by-step wash day routine on what I do to my hair after I take down a protective style. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. As you guys can see, I'm taking down my hair from a wig. I wore a wig for 2 to 3 weeks. So it's been quite a while and my hair is in desperate need for some TLC. So first things first, I just need to take down my twists. I don't usually braid my hair under my wigs. I just do some flat twists. So yeah, my hair, y'all, is looking pretty rough. I need to take down my twists, and then I also need to go in and detangle with my fingers because I know I have tons and tons of shedded hair that has accumulated over these last 3 weeks. So each twist I unravel and then I apply some Yall Organic Mint almond oil to my hands and then begin to start detangling little by little, very gently, just running my fingers through my hair. And then whenever I do that and all the tangles are out, I'll go in with a wide tooth comb and just make sure there are no more knots or tangles in my hair. But I don't like to use a comb until I have gone through and detangled with my fingers, just to alleviate any breakage and things like that. Also, if you're wondering why I apply oil during this process, it's because it really helps to soften my hair. Sometimes my hair can be dry whenever I unravel it from being tucked under a wig for so long. So in order to make it softer and to help alleviate any breakage, I like to apply an oil because it just makes it so much easier to glide my fingers through my hair and detangle, and it tremendously reduces the amount of shedded hair and the amount of breakage that I get. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair looks after I have unraveled all the twists and detangled. As y'all can see, I have a pretty crazy fro, so I need to hop in the shower and wash this all out to get my hair nice and clean. So this routine is pretty standard, nothing really, different here. So of course, first thing I have to do is just get my hair soaking wet. Then I like to shampoo with the Yall Organics Babasu Conditioning Shampoo. This stuff, y'all, is one of my favorite shampoos. I do usually rotate whenever I do wash my hair, so the shampoo could always change, but I love this one especially after a long protective style because it really helps to get deep in there and it cleans my scalp so well. I'm a person who loves lathering shampoo. This shampoo is natural with no sulfates, but I do love a good lathering shampoo, and this one is amazing. My hair always feels so clean. My scalp always feels so clean. So I love to go in with this one, shampoo my scalp really well, and then of course rinse that all out. For my conditioner, I like to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Conditioner. And for this process, I just lather the conditioner all over my hair and get my hair super duper moisturized and soft and conditioned. I know some people will just jump straight into deep conditioning, but I feel like I just get way more moisture whenever I actually condition before deep conditioning. So to me, it's important and I always do it no matter what. Lastly, for my deep conditioner, I'm going to apply the Yall Babasu Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. It is a moisturizing protein treatment, and after having my hair kind of put away for so long, I was in dire need of a protein treatment. But personally, for me, this is just my preference. I don't like super harsh, super strong protein treatments. It has to have some kind of moisture. So this hair mask is a perfect mix of protein and moisture. It's affordable. I can get it pretty much anywhere. And yes, I go through one jar every couple of wash days, but it's totally worth it. So I just lather that all over my hair, get my hair nice and soaked in the protein treatment, then let that sit in my hair for 30 to 45 minutes Typically, I'll shower with the deep conditioner in, hop out the shower, and then also sit under a steamer for about 20 to 30 more minutes. So it's just really important for me to really get that product deep in my hair, let it penetrate, and then of course rinse the deep conditioner out afterwards. All right, y'all. So after we have washed the hair and cleansed the hair, it's time to style my hair. Today, I just went for a typical wash and go, nothing fancy at all. So I'm using the exact same products that I typically do, which is the Shea Moisture Extra Moisture Detangler leave-in conditioner. That is my first product. Then I also go in with the Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Milk. Love, love, love this stuff as well. And then finally, for my gel and styling product, I am using the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I just section my hair off into large sections, apply the leave-in conditioner and the moisture milk, and then I'll separate that large section into smaller sections to apply the gel. So that way the gel it just makes my curls so much more defined, and my curls last so much longer whenever I apply the gel to smaller sections. And these are my curls after I had completed my wash and go. So my curls are nice and juicy, but they are still wet. So on this day, I just let my hair air dry all throughout the day. So I did not sit under a dryer, but of course that is always optional. I wanted to go ahead and show y'all my nighttime routine because I get asked this question all the time. So I figured, why not go ahead and just show you guys in this video. Typically, I will do one of two things. I will either just throw on a bonnet and like not do anything to my hair at all and just wake up and deal with my hair the next morning, or I will do this process, which is my go-to. So what I'm doing here is just doing the banding method, where I take small sections of hair and take a hair tie, and pretty much I'm just tying the hair tie downwards a little bit to help stretch the hair. Because my hair is a little bit shorter now, I want to give my hair some stretch. So as you can see, I'm just tying the hair tie like downwards towards like the tips of my hair. I don't go all the way down because I want my curls to still be intact and my hair to pretty much still be overall curly, but I do like to stretch the roots. So this is how it looks after I have banded all those different sections of hair. I believe I have like 7 sections of hair that are banded. So of course it all depends on the length and the like the thickness of your hair, but 7 or 8 sections works great for me. Then I go in and tie a scarf over my edges, apply a bonnet over my hair, and that is it. It takes just a couple of minutes to do, but I promise it makes a huge difference in how my hair is stretched the next day. So I will let my hair set overnight, stretch overnight, and then in the morning, it's the takedown process. So pretty much I just take down all of my hair ties. So a technique that I have been loving a whole lot lately is to go in with a blow dryer on cool air. So no hot air at all, just cool air. And what I'll do is I'll just run it over my hair for like 1 to 2 minutes. And this really helps to kind of separate those sections of hair so that way there aren't any harsh lines or any harsh parts in my hair. I do struggle because my hair is so short that sometimes my hair kind of gets stuck in like a certain position overnight. And although I do love stretching my hair, the only downfall of that is that sometimes my hair can kind of get stuck in that one spot. So in order to alleviate that, I'll just go in, kind of run my fingers through my hair and kind of let the cool air separate the hair, let the hair fall naturally, and let my hair just blow different ways. So that way my hair just looks so much more natural and not just awkward at all. So do that for a couple of minutes, then I will go in with either a comb or a hair pick, and of course fluff my hair out, pick my hair out, pick out the roots until I'm satisfied with the overall look. And that is it for my nighttime and wash day routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.